am plugging my phone in because my phone is dying as usual. Hello, hello. Hey, Mr. Stocks. Hey, BLT. Goodness. Hello. So, I'm going to be opening these 15 packs of Double Blaze. Hi, Liz. Gosh, hello, everyone. Well, yeah, I posted my YouTube video opening the first half of the box. So go check that out after you watch this live. It just so happened that I posted, I was waiting for the thing to upload, but yeah, so anyways, hi, John. I'm opening Double Blaze, so if you don't want any spoilers, John, you might want to hit the road, as they say. I don't know if you're still doing that, where you don't want to... Hello, everyone. Wow. 9 people in here right now? That's crazy. I will do a YouTube live stream thingy soon, but like most of you wanted me to open them on Instagram, so that's what I'm gonna do. That is what I'm gonna do. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and start. Oh, Liz. Yeah, that'll happen. I don't even bother anymore because I follow so many people that like post the new stuff and whatnot that like I don't even bother. I think it's exciting either way for me because you still don't know what's actually in your packs. So, but I understand that people don't want to see that kind of stuff. So, wow. Okay, let's see if I can... Hello? Focus. Oh, the light. The light is always my bane. Alright, so Persian, Oddish, Krabby, Doduo, and some sort of pickaxe type thing. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Hello! Thank you, everyone. Oops. Let me see if I can... There we go. Maybe we can actually see the cards. Okay. Yes, the art in this set is so cute. Oh, another Persian. Another Krabby. Rhyhorn, which I accidentally called Rhydon in my video. Jigglypuff, which is so adorable. Can't believe it. And Incineroar. Pretty cool art on this Incineroar. Pretty cool. All right. I forget what this is called. It's not triple colorless energy, is it? I don't know. Meowth. So cute. Love it. Well, but it's... Why are there 3? If it's double colorless energy, why are there 3? Sandile? Is that what this is called? Sandile? Triple acceleration energy. That's crazy. Poliwhirl and Cynthia? Is that her name? I'm so sorry. I know people are gonna be like, it's so and so, but sorry. Alright. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's Cynthia. Sue me. Wheezing, which is so awesome. The illustration is by Uyama, which I love. Oh, Mr. Socks, I'm so sorry you're sick. I was there before and it sucked. Dino Blunts, hey! Coughing. Rhyhorn again. This one I haven't seen yet. It's very cute. Very, very cute. And Meowth again. And Arcanine. Very pretty. Very pretty Arcanine. Oh my gosh. Yes, I know there's the little thing, but like I feel like that could damage the card more than just tearing it open, so. I cannot remember the name of this guy for the life of me, or the first, I mean the pre-evolution of this. Although when I played Black and White, I loved that Pokemon, the little dude. He was so cute. Darumaka, yes, and Darmanitan, yes. Awesome. There's Sandile. There he is. Darumaka. So cute. And I love this art. Like, it's not claymation, but it's clay. Very cool. Hello, thank you for joining. We have Diglett and Venomoth. Love that. I still need to get my hands on the GX versions from Night Unison, I think. Hello. Oh gosh. All right. That energy guy again. Cleffa, which is so adorable. I cannot get over this little guy. Love. Mac, I'm not sure what you mean by that, but Japanese is always better, so. Oh, thank you, Liz. It's a mess right now because I washed it last night and went to bed with it wet, so it's like, it's crazy, so sorry about that. Coughing, Cubone. Oh! Muck and Alolan Muck. Oh my gosh. Rainbow Rare. Wow. Okay. It's not at all what I wanted, but I'll take it, right? Oh my gosh. That is so awesome. Ah! I forgot to get sleeves because I was trying to get on live super quick for you guys because I made you wait. Oh my god. Yes. Can I feel the texture? Let's see. Yes, you can feel the texture. So yes, you can feel the texture. I love Japanese cards. way better than English in general. They are better quality and they're amazing, but yay! Oh yeah, so these are the sleeves from the set too. BLT pretty much gifted them to people who bought 2 or more boxes, so thank you so much. Are you feeling it now, Mr. Krabs? Are you feeling it now? Yeah! That is so awesome. I love Alola and Muck's, like, gem teeth. Okay, so, yay! That's awesome. Rainbow Rare. Does anyone know if that one's, like, gonna be worth anything? I don't know. Is it playable? I don't know. Alright. We got a Salazzle, Sexy Lizard, aka Basil. Torracat. Porygon 2. Cleffa again. And something. This reminds me of like the Dark Crystal from Sailor Moon. Yes, PokeBLT has the hookup on Japanese booster boxes. You get some better than eBay prices, and the shipping is like ridiculously fast. Like I can't even, from Japan, within a week, like if not, 2 to 3 days. It's redonkulous. It is redinky donk. Okay. Dugtrio. Esper. Woo. Litten. Jiggly. And Volcanion. Very cool. Mac, they are technically from Amazon Japan, so, but I'm pretty sure they're way better than regular Amazon. So, yeah. Meloetta, you'll have to watch my, well, actually, never mind, it didn't happen in my YouTube video, but I'll post some pulls that I got from my second box that I opened just by myself. Kingler, Rhydon, actually Rhydon. Liz, he does it for literally anyone because he's amazing, so. Ghastly, Murkrow, and another crystal thingy. Nice. I pulled the full art Whimsicott and a regular Whimsicott GX, but that was just like I didn't film that or anything, but yeah. So we got Wigglytuff with some Jigglies, Doduo, Poliwhirl, Tyrogue, which should have been done by Komiya, so whatever. And we have Porygon Z, right? Yeah, Porygon Z, which is pretty cool. Pretty cool. Oops. All right. Hello, people. Party people coming in. Right, BLT? Seriously. Ridiculous. Okay, we got Escape Rope, Poliwag, Haunter, Fat Haunter. We have a Pokefan Lens, and another Venomoth. Hello, Ditto Master. E-Hunter, I do like Eevee. I think anyone who doesn't like Eevee is actually insane. So we have a Weezing, Gloom, Happiny, Misdreavus, love that, so cute, and a Mew. Awesome. I love this art. It's so cute. So very cute. And I just noticed that it looks like a heart. Like, it literally looks like a heart. That is adorable. I don't know if anyone's noticed that, but look at it. It's a heart. Hey. We are moth lovers, okay, over here. So I am okay with the Venomoth because I have a bug collection. So he's going straight into the bug collection. BLT, I've pulled 2 Snorlax and they're both yours. So don't worry about it. Okay, what is this guy's name? Like Croco Rock or something? Hi, Rainbow Nice. Croco Rock? Am I wrong? Is it Croco Rock or like, is that the first evolution? I can't remember, but anyway, got a Venonat, Rhyhorn, Coughing. Oh! I got the GX, or the regular GX version, right? Oh wait, it's the full art. It has texture. That is so awesome. Ditto Master, yes, I do work with bugs. I raise butterflies and moths for a living. But it's seasonal, obviously, because Ohio gets really cold winters. This is so freaking cool. Or is this like the alternate art? Okay, so it's the alternate. That's dope. BLT, you can purchase it from me for the right price. Hi, cat. It is the alternate art. I haven't seen, I have not seen it, so I didn't know. So yeah, awesome. It is really cool, really cool. So I have 2 more packs left. Yes, the Venomoth makes sense. I actually just moved my my bug collection into a bigger binder, so that was nice. All right, Wiggly, Dodrio. I thought I was gonna burp. Oh, cat, that's awesome. I hope you pull awesome things. Liz, I don't know. I honestly don't know. I have no idea. Poliwrath. I'm not sure if they only have 1 or not, but they definitely had 2 in this one. So that is awesome. Oh, BLT, you are so smart. We got Welder, Growlithe, Seal, Porygon, and Dugong. Very cute. Very cute. I am like so happy. So happy. Yay! That's awesome. But you'll have to watch my my video that I just posted to see what else that I pulled out of this box. And there's actually a video or a giveaway in the video. I'm giving away, hold on now, I'm giving away this Gem 10 Typhlosion in the video, and I'm giving away the Afro Chew in the video as well. I think I may have forgotten to put like when the giveaway is over and whatnot in the actual video, but I'll be sure to make sure that it's in the description. And I'm giving away some GXs and holos and stuff as well. So go watch that video and enter enter the giveaway. I don't know. I'm sorry. My brain is like, I've been all over the place today. So hi, I am actually almost done with this live. So, but if you just came in, I pulled the alternate art and the rainbow rare from Double Blaze, so that's super exciting. But yeah, so I'm gonna save the live. If you want to watch the live, you can watch it. I might even post it on YouTube like I did last time. I'm not sure. I forgot to hit screen record, so it's not gonna have the chat in it, and I don't know if that's too awkward with me just like talking to myself. So I guess I'm doing that in the videos anyways. But anyways, I'll catch you later. Bye.